evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, or good morning, good afternoon, or maybe good night. I'm not exactly sure. We are here actually pretty late, but today, we are bringing you along on a room tour of the Hyatt Place here in Ontario, California. We booked just a king bedroom with a sofa bed. So, with that said, again, this is the Hyatt Place in Ontario, California. It's about a 2.5-2 hour drive from San Diego. We're here on business. My lovely wife is actually here with me this time around. I did not leave her back behind in San Diego. It's actually her business, and I'm just tagging along with her. Anyway, so again, this is the Hyatt Place Ontario Mills. That is the full and proper name, Hyatt Place Ontario Mills. It's here in Ontario, California. So yeah, let's get into the room tour. Again, hey, guess what? I'm the Exploring Yeti. If you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe to the Exploring Yeti. That is our fantastic travel, Disney, exploration, trains, planes, automobiles channel. And we're coming to you, we're gonna bring you some fantastic vlogs, room tours, and all sorts of other stuff. So let's get into this room tour here at Hyatt Place in Ontario. So, the door, right there, right when you walk in the door, yes, there's my stuff there, just to show you that we are just walking into this place here. So, as soon as you walk in, okay, sorry. My lovely wife was texting me. I had to respond real quick. She's back up to the room. Here she is. Hello there, gorgeous. Hello. Microwave your stuff? Yeah. Okay, perfect. All right, so my lovely wife is back. Unfortunately, there is no microwave in this hotel room, which is very unfortunate. So right over here, we got some tea. Right over here, we have our wet bar situation. This would be where I would assume the microwave would be. I think the past 2 Hyatt Places I stayed at did have a microwave, so it's kind of weird that this one does not. We could probably order one on request. I would have to look into that though. But there is a wet bar over here, complete with the light. And we have a fridge that is, it's cold on the inside. It needs to be a little bit cooler, but cold on the inside, warm on the outside, just like a fridge should be. Right here, that's just your sink area, so there's nothing there. But you do have a sink area right here. Up here, again, like the other Hyatt Place I stayed at in Dallas, you're gonna have your English breakfast, decaffeinated tea, my goodness. And you're also gonna have an Earl Grey. You got 2 coffee cups, and I guess this is like their brand that they're kind of contracted with, CV1. That's like their coffee maker, because I've seen this a time or two at Hyatt Place hotels. But you do have some coffee back here with some little extras here. You can throw some sweet and low or some sugar in there. Powdered creamer, don't mind that. That is my wife's breakfast bowl that she's eating now. All right, so right over here across from the wet bar, you're gonna have your desk area. Sorry, I apologize about the stuff that's on there. My lovely wife is going to remove that real quick. Thank you. So you have your desk area, a nice little full leather chair. Come over here, do your meeting stuff or editing in my case. Got a phone right over here. Or attendance. My lovely wife does need to check up on her students. So that's where she's gonna sit down right now and do some work. And across from the desk and the wet bar area, you're gonna have your kind of sectional couch. So it is set up in a uppercase L, but it does have, or yes, half of uppercase I. It does have a pull-out couch in there, so this is going to be kind of like a double sofa bed underneath there. Right next to it is going to be like a little, I don't know, A little cubby area. It's pretty long, but it doesn't go very deep. And right over here, I guess you can kick your feet up on this little ottoman here. This couch doesn't really seem all that comfortable like the one in Dallas, but you know, we're gonna roll with it. We're here for a night. I'm here all day tomorrow. I'm just gonna chill. I was gonna try to make a Disney reservation, head over to Disney, but I don't think that's happening. Disney is very busy right now. It is the holiday season. So across from the couch and the ottoman here in the very weird, I don't know, side table, cubby area is going to be your TV. This looks like probably about a 55-inch TV, and it's very, very old. It's very dated, unfortunately. But it is a TV nonetheless, so let's see if it swivels. It swivels, and that is great because now we can watch TV from the bed, or we can watch TV from Z couch. And I'll be watching TV from Z couch tomorrow. Tonight, probably from the bed. But we do have a remote that goes with that. Be sure and wipe down your remotes when you get into your hotel room. We also have some ice right down there. 2 cups for sharing the ice. And maybe pouring some water in there. I am relatively parched right now. Very long drive up here. From here, let's pivot over to the bathroom area. Right over here, you're gonna have your closet. Inside your closet, you're gonna have an ironing board and a iron right up here. We did bring our steamer up, so we're not gonna worry about that. But there is a laundry bag. You got your luggage rack, and a whole bunch of hangers in there. So there's nothing back there. You guys see, God bless you. Nothing back there. Do you guys see any boogeyman? No boogeyman back there. Okay, good. Right over here. Box of Kleenex. What's in these drawers? I don't know. We have a hair dryer right over there. That's the first drawer. We have a Bible. Oh, remember we had Bibles over in the the other Hyatt places. So very much in the Bible Belt there, and Atlanta, and also Dallas. And we have one here, so very interesting. Anyway, we're not going to speculate on that. Just going to say it's very interesting. Bar of soap over here, KenetMD. That's their brand apparently, or the brand that they go with here, because I've seen this so far in the 3 Hyatt places that I have visited within the past 2 months now. So that's very interesting. So between the Hyatt Regency and the Hyatt places here, the amenities are different brands. This is KenetMD, and my wife just pointed out that over at the Hyatt Regency, it's pharmacology. Interesting, huh? The more you know, kids. All right, right over here, you're gonna have a face towel and hand towel. A couple more face towels and hand towels. Nice little trash can right underneath, and we're gonna pivot into the bathroom. There we go. So, it is the bathroom. Got your toilet there. Toilet paper. We bring our own toilet paper. That's not our toilet paper. It's like 2-ply. Oh, almost classified as a rainfall shower head. Almost. I like how it's situated. Let's check the water pressure. Oh, guess what? Guess what I'm gonna say, you guys. You guys know how much I really detest halfway door showers. I want my shower door to go all the way and close on the other end. But also, another thing I don't really like too much is like a huge step up like this into the shower. Because, yeah, you stub your toe, you might trip, I don't know. It's, yeah, we're gonna, yeah. We'll stop talking about that. Okay, so let's check out the pressure here. Without getting wet. Okay, pressure. This looks okay. Not too bad. All right, let's turn that bad boy off. Yeah. All right, they give you about 4 towels here. And then also, of course, you have your KenetMD. I hope I'm saying that right. KenetMD shower gel, conditioner, and shampoo. So all in all, it's a shower, you know? It's gonna do for one night. We're just here for one night. I'm here all day tomorrow, and you know, I'm just gonna kind of hang. So stepping out of there, lovely wife, could you hit your light over there, please? Thank you. All right, excuse me. Over here, we come to the final area of our room tour, which is gonna be the bed. This is a king-size bed. We got end tables on either side, one over here, one over yonder. I'm gonna go over there to my wife's end table because that's where it has the one alarm clock that we are going to take a look at. Hello.
Hey, I'm getting ready to unplug it, so go ahead.
One alarm clock here, no other USB to plug in there, but
the time is incorrect.
Yes, the time is incorrect on there. Hopefully there's no alarm that's set. So that's all we have on the end tables there. It also has like a swamp cooler for AC. Outside, we are actually facing a mall. So right across, you guys can't see it because you can only probably see me. Let's try this. Right across there, there you go, is a mall. I'm not sure the name of the mall. I'm just gonna say it's the Ontario Mall for now. I'll try to figure out what it is and put it in, yeah, and correct it in post, put it up on the screen for you guys. But that is a mall over here in Ontario. We are situated on the floor 3, and our room is 313, as you guys saw coming in. Excuse me. So with that said, that is our room tour of the Hyatt Place Ontario Mills here in Ontario, California. Room 313. It's a Hyatt Place. It's a Hyatt Place. So, you know, no big deal. We're here for one night. It's going to do for one night.
Here for a good time, not a long time.
Yes. So with that said, thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to The Exploring Yeti. That is our fantastic travel, Disney, trains, planes, sometimes automobiles, only as a mode of transportation channel. We will be changing our format possibly very soon. We got a lot of things in the works, a lot of changes coming, a lot of big life changes. But with that said, thank you guys so much for watching. We will catch you guys again here on the Exploring Yeti channel. Thank you so much. Have a good night, good morning, good evening, and a good day.
Be kind, be safe.
Be kind, be safe. Good night, everyone.